So we'll do a little bit of formatting now. Make sure in the developer tab that design mode is off, and then we'll just put all of the the titles in bold. And you can use the format painter if you'd like, and then put everything in bold, just the headings. And then make sure you turn the paintbrush off. If you want to just zoom so that it's at 90% so you can see everything, and then use the table handle to select the entire table, and then we'll choose the table tool layout, and you want the height of each of the rows to be 0.3. I mean, sorry, 0.3. 0.3, and you want everything vertically aligned, so it'll be this one here. This is vertically. You don't want it horizontally, just vertically centered. And now we'll protect the document, so make sure in Developer tab that the design mode is off. And then you'll choose Restrict Editing. And then we'll select the allow this type of editing in a document, and you'll select filling in forms, and then you'll start the enforcing the protection, and the password is skills, lowercase, and then tab, skills again, and OK. And then what we'll do is resave this as your template. So after you save and close, you'll go ahead and File, Open, and you'll open the template. And then make sure you select the Developer tab, Restrict Editing, and we'll stop the protection, because right now if we wanted to change anything, we can't because it's protected. You can't change anything. So you have to stop the protection, type in the password skills, and then now we can start making changes. So the first thing we'll do is just click outside of the table, and you'll go into Home, and Design, and we're doing Page Color, and the page color is Gold Accent 3, 80%, lighter 80%. And then we'll select the fill handle for the form, so click the little plus sign or the arrows in the center, and we'll go to Home, and then the tipped over paint bucket, and we want white background 1 for the shading. And then what we want to do is get through the border on the edge around the entire table. So choose the down arrow for borders, and choose remove the outside border. So if you just click it, it'll reverse, it'll take it off. So now there is no outside border. And then we need to below the table, press enter and type your name, and then we'll protect it again. So go ahead and choose Developer, and the Restrict Editing is on, Fill Forms, and yes, start the protection. Again, the same name, and you'll save it, and you'll close. So now go to, after you save and close, go to where the form is and open it up, and you'll actually fill it in. And you'll follow the instructions in the book, or you can, I'll pause this and you can fill in the information. So the first thing you'll type is the person's name. I think it's Jason Watson. So click where it has the name, Jason Watson. So continue filling in the information. This is business. And I'll get the picture from my file. And then you can select any date. And the number is 3455. And then the course item will be, you can pick one of the two, event planning, the course number 300, and then you want to check off morning. And then there's a comment that you'll put in there. And that'll be a save and submit. So notice the stylist X under morning, and then there's a comment that you'll add, and that'll be a save and submit. Thank you.